Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show how to show nodes and activities in timeline. Basically, if we see here in we have added timeline here. So we have enabled activities and nodes. It will show same like in our model revenue. Once we have added in the form, it will show here down. So, but it will not show. It is not showing in Power Portals. How we can show those things? So first nodes we can see how we can enable nodes. Together nodes and activities we cannot able to show in our Power Pages. If you want to show either nodes or either activities only. And if you example, if you want to show together it means we have to use any liquid code template for either nodes or activities. We can do it using liquid template. You can achieve that one. Out of box functionality we cannot able to show together how it is showing in model driven app, so we cannot able to show in our Power Pages. So now how we can enable nodes and how we can be able to see nodes in our Power Pages. First we have added the timeline in our form. Once it is completed, second step, go to the portal management, which whatever the form we are having. So second step, I'm going to the basic form, insert form, because I'm using create form only here. So I'm going to the basic form metadata. Using basic form metadata, we can show the notes section in our Power Pages. I'm creating new basic form data. We can select the notes section here. Automatically down it will show some options. So if you see here, we are having create, edit, and delete. While whatever the attachments we are uploading, it will we can able to delete and we can able to edit also, and also in the same note section also we can create it also. So this one I can show you next step. So now I have attached now I have created the metadata. I'm saving this one. We'll see whether this is showing or not first thing. Yes, still it is not showing. Why? Because of here check permissions is missing. We need to create the third step is the table permissions. So go to the table permissions. For notes, now we are aligning. So I'm giving the notes name as, I'm selecting the notes table. Access. Now, whichever the table, we can give the global access also, but as per the which table we are uploading, those records only it has to show. So we can select as access type as the parent, and which table means room table permission I'm taking. Sorry, booking details. I have given the name as previously, and automatically, why? Because while creating any custom table, automatically some few inbuilt tables it will create as a connection, so that already relationship has created. Now if you come down, we are having the privileges to give the access. So now I'm giving read access, so we can see it. We can see now, save it. Still it is not at came. Why? Because of fourth step. Fourth step is still not at came by, because of we have not enabled the file attachment only. So that one we can enable it. So I'm going to the base booking details create form. If you go with the additional settings, we'll get that option as file attachment first. Before seeing the notes, we need to attach the files, so that I'm going to show now. So if we see here, we're having the attached file now. So auto save options, I'm saving now notes table. If you want to upload multiple files, you can allow it multiple files. We can add that wherever we want to store that location. If you want to Types also we can restrict, you restrict like either only PDF files or any image files we can restrict here. So now I'm saving here. If we're coming here, we can change the label. If you want to give some other name also, we can give it. Now it is showing English and Hindi. Why? Because of I have enabled for the two languages for this portal. That is a request. Now one more thing is the attached file request. Next step I will show you. First whether see whether that attached file option is coming or not. You see attached file has came. So now file also enable. So I'm going to create a new record. So now I'm attaching the file. So we have attached this one. So my our file name is this one. So I'm going to check whether that node section is coming or not with attachment or not. So we see. See just now we have less than a minute ago we have submitted along with image. If you click on this one, it will show in the another tab. So node section by default image only it is possible to show in the browser preview. Remaining all type of files it will download when you click on this, but automatically this link it will download it. But image file it will support to display in our preview browser. So this is the way we can enable the notes section in Power Pages. So first thing is the first step we have to add our timeline here, and the next step go and create a basic details create form. In that basic form data we need to create a one of the metadata that type as the notes. Once this one is completed, third step like check whether our file attachment is enabled or not. Once this is also complete, still it is not showing means there is a table permission is missing, that we can create it as a notes table. We can take the table as a notes how we have created. I will show you again. So notes table, if you see here notes table we have taken, and parent which page we are going to take this notes, I mean we are going to show means as per the record ID. It means like, so I have select the booking table. So here using read and everything we have given. So I think this is my previous one. Now whatever I have created this one, so now only read only I have given, but in the same we can provide create here also we can create the notes and we can edit the notes and we can delete also. How means as of so now only I have given read permission only. So as I told, go to the basic form. Okay, now we are having the some settings here, create enable. If I'm clicking on true, so it has to show the new button. So whether we'll check whether it is showing or not. Mostly it will not show. Why? Because of I will tell you now. It is not showing. Why? Because of in table permission we have given the only read option. So we can provide the in table permission create option also. I'm giving create option, write and delete, save it now. This one we can create the record, we can edit the record, we can delete the notes, what are the attachments. Now we'll see whether that is displaying or not. Yeah, we are having add mode button. So what mistake we have done means basically this is our edit form because we are saying edit form. So but I have I am doing in create form. So create form also create form we have only uploading the attachment. So but we are seeing in edit form, so we need to add the same note section also in edit form. Go to forms, edit form. If you see here, I have added one metadata I have created with the note section. So now what are the true event? Now I'm going to edit and delete also. I'm going to share. See now you can see only create is there. We'll enable edit and delete also in Git. And see here, edit and delete came. If you want to, you can edit that one. Just enable add one more attachment here. And if you want delete means if you delete here automatically that file will be deleted. Okay, this is the way we can show and I mean we can enable the notes, timely notes in our Power Pages. Thank you so much.